guys, I'm so sorry I haven't been posting in a while. I have, been very busy. Well, I did recently post a video with my puppet. But yeah, sorry for the noise in the background. I am outside, but yeah. Hi! What? You're not supposed to be here. I said it was a video by myself, like... No, I don't care. Okay, well, in the comments, by the way, guys, I want you guys... Yeah, she says you. And you in the purple t-shirt. Okay. I want you to comment questions, and then we'll make a Q&A video, alright? Okay. Well, you have anything to say to the viewers before we really do go? That I wanna subscribe for more content of me. No, and me as well. No, just me. No, and me. No, just me. Right, well, I'm gonna let you guys go now, so bye.